Well, finally, guys, we're in southern Iowa this evening. We got here early today and left early out of that windstorm that we were in northern Iowa at the Corn Patch campground. So we got set up here, a nice new spot. It's a little campground, but it's nice and clean. And Pixie, for the first time, everybody ate dinner first. When we pulled in, I got the RV hooked up, patio out, golf cart out, and Pixie likes the soft grass. Here comes Carly and Cheryl. So this is just a one-night stay, so I'm not going to work on that slide motor today. I'm take it easy. We got a one-night stay today and a one-night stay tomorrow, and then the next stop we have a two-night stay. So on the two-night stay, that's when I'm going to address that slide motor on the driver's side, and hopefully, I'm pretty sure that's going to fix our issues with slides for a while. So and I'm going to show you how I do it too, when I do it. Yes, nice. I think it's probably about 80. Oh, 66. Uh-oh, Pixie might have a sticker. You got a sticker in your pawpaw? Let me see your pawpaw.
Sticker again?
She was limping. Do I need to check your pawpaw?
Yeah, I'm feeling tipsy. I'm on the move. We're getting frisky. We're in the groove. People are smiling, and the music is on fire. The lights are turning me on, and they're lifting me higher. I wanna tell you that I feel alright. Yeah, I feel fine. Yeah, something inside me is saying that I'm on the move, baby. Hey, I'm moving on up to a higher destination. I'm moving on up. I'm feeling cheeky. I'm on high. I'm feeling forward. I'm in the sky. All I see is happy
Bring to your destination. Must be in people's house. Yeah, I think so. That's the way I see it anyway.
Hey there, this is Todd. I was headed your way. I'm out on Aldridge Road next to a cemetery. And do I keep going down this small gravel road? Okay, alright. I'll make sure before I get down there and get stuck. Okay. Yeah, I told my wife, I was like, I gotta read those directions first to make sure this is the right. As I got, just call you. Okay. Alright, see you in a minute. Bye.
You can put it in neutral and just glide. Private property. Where are we, Pants?
Look at this place.
Where are we? Where are we, Pants? Yeah, here.
All right, we're here. You saw it was a tight fit getting back into this Boondockers place. This is our first Boondockers Welcome stay since we joined the Boondockers club or membership, and we've got it for a year. So I told you the first one called and canceled. I don't know if it was because of weather damage or whatever. They said they have to cancel due to property damage. So let me give you a look around here. This looks like a pretty nice place. So everybody's taking a break out here on the outdoor patio. We got everything out, the slides out. Got it chilling in here on just our power system, the Victron under the bed with all the batteries. Got the front AC running and the garage AC running. They said we could have hookups if we needed it, but I told them no. I'm testing out the power system anyway, so this is a pretty neat place. We're backed up here. They've got a gravel pad, as you can see. Pulled the golf cart out. They got a big workshop here. This is kind of what I picture where me and Cheryl want to have a property similar to this. See, they got power run out here. They got water. They've even got sewer out here. And a nice workshop. But yeah, we're thinking about moving this next year out of Florida. But we're not going to move to Illinois. But look at that privacy all around here. Let me pan you around. Nice, beautiful field out in front of their property. And we're back here. Had a pretty nice drive today. And they had at least the driveway coming in. At least the driveway coming in was pretty nice. It was fresh gravel, but it's only one lane in and out. So this will be a good one night stay to take a break. And then tomorrow we're headed off to, I think, a KOA in Arkansas. That will be our next stop. And I got a 2-night stay there. So that's when we get to that Memphis KOA in Arkansas, I'm going to swap out that slide motor there. Should be fairly easy, and I'll bring you guys along and we'll take a look and see if that fixes the big slide, the long slide. I hope it does. But we're making our way back to our home base in Florida. It won't be long before we're there. And then our voyage will be over for a while.
Something inside me feels like I'm on the move, baby. I'm moving on up. Hey, I'm moving on up to a higher destination. Hey, I'm moving on up. Destination. I'm moving on. I'm moving on.
All right, guys, we're here at the KOA Memphis in Arkansas. It's close to Memphis. I arrived here in Rainstorm, so it's going to be messy setting up. But we're going to be here for tonight and tomorrow night. And I'm going to try to attempt, hopefully we don't get no rain tomorrow. I want to attempt that slide motor repair behind me. If we can do that on the stay, that would be great. Let's see if that fixes it. Alright, stick around. I'll get it all set up. And let's see how it
Yours,
goes.
you got this. All right, ladies, have a good afternoon. All right, bye. Bye. Oh, they did, Daddy? No trees?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, you don't want internet?
I want internet, but it's nice to have a little bit of trees. Not no trees.
Yeah.
We gotta go, Pixie.
You got some trees in the back, open on the front. So, we got trees here. Let me see your site here. Oh, you're going out perfect. No trees.
And we just got here and it started raining.
No, you're going to have to wait a little bit until we go outside.
Oh
See
yeah.
everything. It's too wet out now. It's raining. Darn it. That's okay. We'll be able to go out in a little bit. After the rain stops, right?
I think you don't like no rain.
Well, you don't like to get rain on your vacation, right?
We got an internet.
I feel alright. There's something inside me. It's telling me that I'm on the move. I'm on the move. Hey, I'm moving on up to a higher destination. I'm moving on up. I'm moving on up. Hey, I'm on the move to a higher destination.
Alright guys, so that's disappointing news. I'm not going to be able to replace the slide motor on this myself. At least not out on the road like this. I did take a look up there and there's only like half the width of the motor opening. Unlike the bedroom slide back there, there's no way to get the motor, a new motor, swapped in and out. I'm going to try stopping it right there and see if we can manage to get up in there. Let's see. It's going to be a little bit of a tight fit, but let's see, we'll have to peel this back. Our motor's right there. That's the top of it. This one's a lot tighter. So, I don't know if I can do this one. This one might have to come out from the outside, and you have to take the molding off. It's different because it won't fit past here. Oh boy. Let me go take a look at the outside. In that space without removing the tracking either from the outside or the inside. And then I think you'd probably have to prop the slide up from underneath with a jack so that if you took the track out, it's not going to push out or anything like that. So I'm not even going to try to attempt that. I did analyze it to see if I could do it, but I'm going to have to do that, have that done at a service center when we take it in for body work when we get back home. So disappointing. Anyways, I'll continue enjoying the journey.